Now, more about resource plans. Let's make sure we understand the high level before we delve in. First of all, as I said, only one plan can be active at a time. You might be wondering, well, I'm in a rack environment and I have multiple instances. You want to try to keep those the same wherever possible. Each server, of course, has its own set of hardware and therefore its own resource plan. Best practice is to keep the schedules and plans the same. You can use the scheduler and maintenance windows to dynamically switch plans, and you can have one plan broken into multiple sub-plans to give yourself some administrative flexibility. We're going to do scheduler and maintenance windows in the next module, by the way. When you do a resource plan, you can do simple or complex. Simple is just has a one-level split of resources, but you can create a complex resource plan that can extend up to 8 priority levels. So for instance, you might have at the top level your users and your batch jobs, and you want to guarantee or cap users at 75% CPU, batch jobs at 25. You might want to go beyond that and just do your first level where 75% toward your users, and then any CPU left over from your users spills to a second level where you split out between interactive batch jobs and scheduled batch jobs. You see what I'm saying? A lot of this resource plan stuff is figuring out exactly what your business needs are. Flowcharting it, really. Use pencil and paper or use Visio or whatever your favorite flowcharting tool is. Know what you're going for first before you start horsing around with the parts and pieces. That's probably my best advice for you. And as I said, we can use DBMS Resource Plan, the PLSQL package and its related packages, or Cloud Control. Cloud Control is obviously the easier way to go because you don't have to grind code. You can just click buttons and actually see and pull out the PLSQL code that Oracle generates.